Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fajita quesadillas with ease. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth cooking process. This simple guide will help you create a satisfying meal in under 30 minutes, perfect for a quick lunch or a fun dinner. Get ready to enjoy a burst of flavor with every bite, combining savory fillings and gooey cheese. Now, let's get that amazing fajita filling sizzling. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add your thinly sliced protein, whether it's chicken or steak, and cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's beautifully browned and fully cooked. Then, toss in your colorful bell peppers and onions, letting them cook for another 5 minutes until they are tender crisp. Finish by stirring in 2 teaspoons of fajita seasoning for that authentic taste. It's time to assemble our delicious quesadillas. First, lightly butter one side of a large tortilla. This helps achieve that perfect golden brown crispness. Place the buttered side down in a clean, warm skillet. Next, sprinkle about 1/2 cup of your favorite shredded cheese evenly over the tortilla. Finally, spoon approximately 1/2 cup of your flavorful fajita filling onto just 1/2 of the tortilla, leaving room to fold. Almost there. Carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filling, creating a perfect half-moon shape. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, until the tortilla is beautifully golden and crispy, and the cheese is wonderfully melted and gooey. This ensures everything holds together perfectly. Once cooked, remove your quesadilla from the skillet, slice it into 3 or 4 wedges, and serve immediately for the best flavor and texture. Enjoy your homemade fajita quesadillas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.